Welcome back, friends. Today we will be learning the 7th Arabic alphabet. The 7th Arabic alphabet is Khaa. Let's watch Khaa. Hi, my name is Khaa. 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 You can spell it in English as Khaa. Khaa. It sounds like the English alphabets K and H. KH for Horfakan. Horfakan, a city in the Middle East. Khaa. 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 How to pronounce Khaa? You can create Khaa sound from the mid of your throat. Kh, a, Khaa. Kh, a, Khaa. The words starting with Kha are Khaima means tent. Khubz means bread. And Khashab means wood. Thank you, friends, for watching my video. See you in the next video with the next letter. Bye, friends.